Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off highlight feature on Facebook for batch mentions. If you are getting highlighted in comments or posts and want to disable it, follow these easy steps. First of all, open the Facebook apps on your phone. Now tap on three dot or this profile icon. Now scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Here, now again click on settings. Scroll down and look for notifications. Tap on it and find tags or mention. Now tap on tags and here you can see this option batch mentions. Just turn this off. Or you can turn off all these options for the mentions. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the highlight feature on batch mention on Facebook. And you are not going to get those notifications or highlighted mentions anymore. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and I will see you in the next video.